Every day, banks loan millions of dollars to people buying homes, businesses expanding operations, and companies investing in new equipment. But before a bank approves any of those loans, someone has to answer one very important question. Is lending this money a smart financial decision? That's where credit analysts come in. They're the professionals who analyze financial information, evaluate risk, and help financial institutions decide whether someone is likely to repay a loan. It may not be one of the most well-known careers in finance, but it's one of the most important. Credit analysts work behind the scenes protecting banks, lenders, and businesses from making costly financial mistakes. The career offers strong salaries, excellent job stability, clear advancement opportunities, and serves as a gateway into commercial banking, corporate finance, underwriting, and risk management. So what exactly does a credit analyst do? How much do they make? Do you need a finance degree? And is becoming a credit analyst worth it? Today, we're breaking down the credit analyst career path in simple terms. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. A credit analyst is a finance professional responsible for evaluating the financial health of individuals or businesses before credit is extended. Think of them as financial detectives. Instead of investigating crimes, they investigate financial risk. Their job is to answer questions like, can this person afford this mortgage? Can this company repay a business loan? Is this customer too risky? How likely are they to default? To answer those questions, credit analysts review financial information and make recommendations based on facts rather than emotions. Their analysis helps lenders make informed financial decisions while reducing unnecessary risk. So what does a normal workday actually look like? Most credit analysts spend their day reviewing financial documents. That includes income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, tax returns, credit reports, business financial records, loan applications, and supporting documentation. They also calculate financial ratios, review payment histories, research industries, evaluate market conditions, write detailed reports, and communicate their recommendations to loan officers or management. For example, a construction company applies for a $2 million loan to purchase new equipment. The credit analyst reviews several years of financial performance, looks at current debt, examines profitability, studies cash flow, researches the construction industry, and determines whether approving the loan makes financial sense. That recommendation could involve millions of dollars. One of the biggest advantages of this profession is that many different industries need credit analysts. Commercial banks, credit unions, mortgage lenders, investment firms, insurance companies, equipment finance companies, automotive finance companies, government agencies, healthcare organizations, manufacturing companies, large corporations, even companies that extend payment terms to customers often employ credit analysts. That broad demand creates excellent career stability. This career isn't about selling financial products. It's about making smart decisions. Successful credit analysts are naturally curious. They enjoy solving problems. They're comfortable working with numbers. They notice details other people miss. Strong credit analysts usually possess analytical thinking, organization, patience, professional judgment, critical thinking, attention to detail, integrity, and excellent written communication. Because every recommendation affects real money, accuracy matters a lot. Let's talk about education. Most employers prefer candidates with bachelor's degrees. Common majors include finance, accounting, economics, business administration, financial management, or banking. However, education alone isn't enough. Employers also value internships, Excel skills, financial statement analysis, business writing, internships, and practical banking experience. Learning doesn't stop after graduation. Many credit analysts continue developing their knowledge throughout their careers. This career combines technical and communication skills. Some of the most important include financial statement analysis, cash flow analysis, risk assessment, ratio analysis, business writing, Microsoft Excel, research, critical thinking, problem solving, and communication. You don't need advanced calculus, but you should feel comfortable understanding financial reports and recognizing patterns. The ability to explain your findings clearly is just as important as performing the analysis itself. Modern credit analysts rely heavily on technology. Most work with financial analysis software, credit reporting systems, loan management platforms, risk assessment tools, Microsoft Excel, business intelligence dashboards, customer relationship management systems, and document management software. Technology helps automate calculations, but human judgment remains critical. Software can organize information. It can't replace experience and professional decision-making. Now let's discuss salary. Entry-level credit analysts often earn between $60,000 and $75,000 annually. Professionals with several years of experience commonly earn between $75,000 and $100,000. Senior credit analysts, commercial credit specialists, portfolio managers, risk managers, and credit managers frequently earn well into six figures. Compensation varies depending on experience, industry, location, employer, education, and specialization. Commercial banking and corporate finance often provide some of the strongest earning opportunities. People often confuse these careers. While they work closely together, they aren't identical. A credit analyst focuses primarily on evaluating financial risk. An underwriter often makes the final approval decision based on company policies, regulations, and the analyst's recommendations. In many organizations, credit analysts provide the research while underwriters make the lending decision. The two careers complement one another. Many professionals move between these roles throughout their careers. Every profession has challenges. Credit analysis is no exception. Deadlines can be tight. Loan decisions sometimes involve millions of dollars. Financial information isn't always complete. Economic conditions change. Businesses experience unexpected problems. Interest rates fluctuate. Sometimes you'll recommend approving a loan. Sometimes you'll recommend declining it. Neither decision is always easy. The profession requires objectivity, professionalism, and confidence in your analysis. One of the biggest strengths of becoming a credit analyst is the number of career opportunities it creates. Many professionals begin as junior credit analysts, then advance to credit analyst, senior credit analyst, commercial credit analyst, portfolio manager, commercial banker, relationship manager, credit manager, risk manager, corporate finance manager, commercial lending officer, or executive leadership. The analytical skills you develop transfer throughout the financial industry. Is AI going to replace credit analysts? Artificial intelligence is already changing banking. Many lenders now use AI to review applications, identify patterns, and calculate risk scores. But here's the important part. Financial decisions aren't always black and white. Businesses have unique circumstances. Economic conditions change. Industries evolve. Relationships matter. Human judgment still plays a critical role. Instead of replacing credit analysts, AI is becoming another tool that helps them work faster and make better informed decisions. Professionals who learn how to work alongside AI will likely become even more valuable. So, is becoming a credit analyst worth it? For many people, absolutely. The profession offers strong salaries, excellent job stability, professional office environments, clear advancement opportunities, transferable financial skills, exposure to commercial banking, opportunities to move into leadership, and a healthy balance between analytical work and business decision-making. It's one of the best finance careers for people who enjoy solving problems without working in high-pressure sales. Let's quickly summarize. Some of the biggest advantages include strong earning potential, stable employment, career growth, professional work environment, exposure to commercial finance, transferable skills, and opportunities across many industries. Some challenges include heavy attention to detail, tight deadlines, economic uncertainty, complex financial analysis, and continuous learning. Understanding both sides helps determine whether this career fits your personality and goals. Credit analysts rarely receive public recognition, yet they're responsible for helping financial institutions make smarter lending decisions every single day. They protect banks from unnecessary risk, support responsible lending, help businesses secure financing, and contribute to a healthy financial system. If you enjoy finance, analyzing information, solving business problems, and making decisions based on facts, credit analysis offers an outstanding long-term career path. It may not be the most glamorous finance career, but it's one of the most stable, respected, and rewarding. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you consider becoming a credit analyst? Or is there another finance career you'd like us to cover next? Leave a comment below. And if you're interested in finance careers, healthcare careers, technology careers, skilled trades, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week, we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.